Hello, my name is Craig. Some of you might remember me from the 8 rounds of golf we spent together in the business architecture course. I just wanted to bring you up to date with a few changes. So there's a new brand that I've launched in the market called Design Chain, and really what Design Chain is looking to do is take the discipline of design thinking, the discipline of architecture thinking, and the discipline of agile thinking and roll these together into one coherent solution to help you create a more agile organization. But what we've seen is, in actual fact, if those things are fragmented, you lose the coherency all the way through the cycle. And what that means, though, is that there's actually a need to develop this capability in your organization. We've referred to it as hybrid thinking, but it means for you to be able to merge design, architecture, and agile thinking into one. So what we've done is we've actually released a new course called Design in Business. And really what the Design in Business course has been developed for is to focus on analytical people, is to focus on some of the more traditional architecture, business analysis type of disciplines, and give them the skill of design, and specifically how to focus that skill on helping solve internal business problems with internal stakeholders, and then also linking them to some of the external stakeholders. Because what we've seen is that there's a need to apply that human-centered type of design to those types of customers. So what we do is we follow what's referred to as a 10-20-70 principle. As a matter of fact, we call it shadowboxing. And what we do is, well, the 10-20-70 principle says that, well, anything that I learn at the 10 level theoretically means I only retain 10% of it. The 20 says that things that I learn in a social structure and conversations that I have around the water cooler, etc., I retain 20% of that. And things that I actually do practically with my hands and I have my own experience, well, I retain 70% of that. So we've tried to create a combination of those things in the Design in Business course through a shadowboxing technique. In other words, we come beside you, and we travel with you as you try and solve an actual problem in your business. Now, the shadowboxing technique is very specifically for customers that have big groups, anything from 10 and above. And we choose a specific problem in your organization, and we train, teach, coach, mentor you to deliver actual prototyped outcomes using the design thinking techniques that we've come up with in the course. We also link those design thinking techniques down into the business architecture, business planning, and strategic planning assets in your organization, so you can see how those pieces are linked together. That's the point of Design in Business. Now, if you don't have a group that big, or if you can't spare the 6 sessions running over that period of time, you can do it in the classroom environment. So we have an intensive section in which we do it over 5 days, but that means we choose our own sort of case study and we work you through that process in 5 days. So that's in effect the Design in Business course. And that's really what we're trying to do, is we're trying to uplift some of more of those support functions in this business and give them more of a human-centered lens. More of those army of people that are sitting down within the business, in the projects and all the rest of it, to try and solve actual business problems. We're trying to teach them the human-centered nature of design thinking. We're trying to teach them the behavioral and psychological aspects of design thinking and how they can apply that to some of their internal problems. And that's where we think that they will get the most of the value from, is giving that human-centered lens to some of the more traditional architectural disciplines in the organization. So what you've got is you can go to our website, which is www.designchain.co. Have a look around there, and you can fill in your details as well, and let's get in touch and see if we can run one of these sessions within your organization. Thanks a lot.